However, we're going to be
Kratos XQ-58A Valkyrie Unmanned Aerial System completes U.S. Marine Corps PAACKP program. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions Incorporated, a technology company in the defense, national security and global markets and an industry-leading provider of high-performance, jet-powered unmanned aerial systems, today announced the Marine Corps XQ-58A Valkyrie, a highly autonomous, low-cost tactical unmanned air vehicle, successfully completed its first test flight October 3, 2023, at Eglin Air Force Base, Florida. Kratos partnered with the Marine Corps, the Office of the Undersecretary of Defense for Research and Engineering, the Naval Air Systems Command and Naval Warfare Center Aircraft Division to facilitate the ongoing research, development, test and evaluation of the Marine Corps XQ-58A Valkyrie. This joint collaboration was supported by the 40th Flight Test Squadron, 96th Test Wing and the Naval Air Warfare Center Aircraft Division. This flight marks a key milestone in the Marine Corps' Penetrating Affordable Autonomous Collaborative Killer Portfolio program. Future test flights inform Marine Corps XQ-58A Valkyrie requirements for the Marine Air Ground Task Force Unmanned Aerial System Expeditionary Tactical Aircraft. Steve Fendley, president of Kratos Unmanned Systems Division, said, "We are incredibly proud to have kicked off this first flight of the unique Marines Valkyrie mission configuration with such a successful result and look forward to continuing the partnership and cooperative team working relationship with the Marine Corps, the 40th Flight Test Squadron, 96th Test Wing and the Naval Air Warfare Center Aircraft Division." The Marine Corps constantly seeks to modernize and enhance its capabilities in a rapidly evolving security environment. Testing the XQ-58 Valkyrie determines requirements for a highly autonomous, low-cost tactical UAS that complements the need for agile, expeditionary, and lethal capabilities in support of both the Marine Corps' stand-in force operations in austere environments and the Joint Force, said Lieutenant Colonel Donald Kelly, Headquarters Marine Corps Aviation Cunningham Group and Advanced Development Team. This XQ-58A test flight and the data collected inform future requirements for the warfighter, while fueling innovation and experimentation opportunities within Marine Corps modernization and industry partnership, said Scott Bay, Portfolio Manager, Mission Capabilities, Prototypes and Experiments.